Okay, moving on to the next question. Look at this object very carefully. Okay, now let us go level by level. First of all, you have this one rectangle that you are able to see. This is A. You are able to see another rectangle over here, which is rectangle B. If you view it from this arrow, will you be able to see this rectangle? Let's call it C. Will you be able to see that? No. Okay, that is absolutely a 90 degree. So what are you going to see? Just one line. A rectangle like this, you will be able to see a rectangle, but if you are viewing it from this angle, you are able to see only one line. You are not able to see any rectangle. So by this understanding, what do we have? At the bottommost level, we are going to view only two quadrilaterals, not three. Okay, so two quadrilaterals and two quadrilaterals. This makes sense. But the fourth option, where we have four quadrilaterals, that is incorrect. Okay, now moving on to the second level. Okay, you have this element, let's call it element number 1, and what you will be able to see is this particular rectangle. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. Now if we are viewing it from this angle, we are not able to see the triangle. What we are able to see is this quadrilateral, that is 1, and we are able to see another quadrilateral, that is 2. Okay, at two different levels, so there is going to be a line in between. So this is something that you will be able to see on the second most level. Let's check for these options. Option 1, you do not have a line in between, eliminated. Option 2, you do have a line in between, so again a tick mark on option 2. Option number 3, again you do not have a line in between, so eliminated. So option number 2 as of now we can say is correct. Okay, then what is happening on the third level? You will be able to view this inclined rectangle. Let's say this is surface Z. Okay, and if you look at the horizontal level of this is coinciding with element number 1. Okay, so we have that. We have this coinciding with element number 1, and we are able to view only one surface. So option number 2, double assure, is correct.